Hey guys, today we are changing out the battery. This is a 2014 Ford Focus, has a 2-liter engine. We're going to start by removing the negative terminal, positive terminal, the brackets. We're all going to check, see what size they are. 10 millimeter, and that will be the same. So we're going to remove this to take out the old battery. The battery that was in this, well, we can't see the size of it, but we're using the Interstate battery, which is an excellent battery. It's a group size 96R. That's the size battery you will need.
If you want to take a screenshot here.
No. Okay, so we're going to use power tools, but all you need is a 10 millimeter deep socket or a ratchet. I mean a wrench, ratcheting wrench, anything. 10 millimeter that can close that gap. Okay, and make sure to put all the parts where you can't lose them. Okay, negative first. That's what's recommended. And it's pretty stuck on there from acid buildup. So you can just put a screwdriver and twist it sideways for leverage. This came right off. And might just want to take this off for the convenience. Also need to take this off too. So I'm going to take this off and this off, just for you guys that want the easiest way. Tools I'm using is a 24 volt max Cobalt 3/8 ratchet. This thing's a monster. It is a lot larger, and I get this for tight spots. This makes the job go 10 times faster. That one bolt would take you about 2 minutes to take off. 1 minute to 2 minutes for each of these, just turning them. Alright. Put this down there. Put this one over here. Check this bracket out. I won't check for anything that could hinder it. And it's good to go. Make sure to wear gloves or something to protect your hands. Next, we'll make sure they line up correctly. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Same size battery. And we're going to remember how it went. Positive was on this side. Negative was on that side. So that means we want this negative side that way. Turn it around. Set it in. Next we're going to get that bracket back on. Can't get a good grip with these with my gloves. Screwdriver, that's all that easy. Go ahead, set this back on. Alright. We won't tighten it all the way, so that we have ability to make a good connection. Go ahead and try to jerk this over a bit. Allow ample room. There we go, get that off. Got you. more difficult with the glove. So it's always good to have one of these tools. This happens all the time, no matter how long you've done it, there's always time to mess up. Alright, that's a little too tight. So, but you know, keeps it from moving. That's what matters. Next we'll put our positive on. Just a complete process in reverse. And then the positive. Now don't do this too tight. Just about 10 pounds is all you need. Everyone has a different recommendation, but just make sure it's tight where it doesn't move if you jerk on it. Alright, there you go. I'll go ahead, cover that up. Make sure this is tight and you are good to go. You might lose your radio settings and all that, but these cars are pretty basic. Maybe the deluxe version of the car might be a little different, but this will apply for a lot of the Ford Focuses and other versions of the car. So hopefully this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.